Hey guys, welcome back to HQ Tech, and in this video you will learn how to fix broken power button of your mobile with the help of some apps. It will definitely help if you doesn't wanna go to shop or doesn't wanna spend your money on your mobile. Before starting this video, I just wanna say one thing, that this is a perfect and fully tested method. I am personally using it for 8 months since my mobile power button stopped working. So what you have to do, you have to just follow the step without skipping the video. In first step, you have to go to Play Store and download these two apps. Number one is Virtual Power Button and second number is Volume Unlock. And I will also put the link of this application in the description. In second step, after downloading these two application in your phone, you have to open Volume Unlock application, and you have to do is to enable these three options, which is volume button unlock, notification screen off, and start on boot. And after enabling these options, you will see a bar in your notification which is volume unlock. Click on screen off. This is your screen off button, and your screen on button is volume down key. So whenever you want to open this screen, you have to press volume down key like before you use power button. After finishing with first application, you have to open second application, which is virtual power button, and after opening it you will see a first option, use lock screen button. So you have to enable it and click on active, and you will see a red color pop-up button, and this button is for your make your phone switch off. So after pressing it 2 to 3 seconds, you will see a bar of power off button. So this application is used to make your phone switch off. Now has come the question how to switch on your smartphone. So what you have to do, you have to plug your smartphone with the charger and press volume up key, and this window will pop up. You have to select last option, which is normal boot, by navigating through volume up key, which is by default our navigation key, and click on the last option from volume down key, and your smartphone will switch on.